How to use and set up a jam session in Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can use and set up a jam session in Spotify. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, launch the Spotify application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the top left and here tap on settings and privacy. Here again tap on privacy and social, scroll all the way down and there is a jam feature. It says you have to use Bluetooth to seamlessly find and connect your nearby device so that you can enjoy music together. For that, tap on learn now and now you can use a Bluetooth to start or join a jam with friends nearby. Allow Bluetooth access to find and contact to nearby devices so you can enjoy music with others. Then tap and get started. Now you have to ask your friends nearby to enable Bluetooth access. And once you're connected, tap on OK. And then you're ready to jam. Then tap on got it. After that, play a music in Spotify. Once you play a music, if you navigate to your bottom left corner, there is a small speaker icon, tap on it. And under there, tap on start session. This will create a unique invitation link for your session. After the session starts, you will see an invite friends option. You can either send the link to your friends via messaging application or simply scan a Spotify QR code if you're in close proximity to someone else with the application. Now, for the participants to join, they will need to open the link that you have sent them or scan the QR code, and then they have to tap on tap or the join session to enter the group session. Once in, now participants can control the music, skip the songs, pause the play, and add tracks to the queue. As the host, you can choose who has control over the music. So in this way, you can use and set up a jam session in Spotify. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.